What's good, y'all? It's the homeboy Jimmy Clever. I'm chilling with the man Herc. You know what I'm saying? Tell him where we at right now.
Man, look, look right, this right here, man, this is the Hit 'em Up van. We in the Hit 'em Up van, the Meat Mobile, really. This is the Meat, it's the Meat Mobile. You know, I don't be want to let everybody know who we really are. You know, the Meat Brothers, once again, out here doing our thing. When I wait to the studio, we in the Meat Mobile. You know what I'm saying? That's the big white van, inconspicuously, with the green tag on the rearview mirror. And man, we getting how we live. Me and my man Jimmy, man, we out here finna go to the about to check out a few things.
Hold on, y'all gotta take a look around.
Yeah, this is the Meat Mobile, baby.
Look at that.
That's why we put the meat back there. Yeah, we put the meat back there. We catch a piece of meat, we throw the meat back there. That's the meat locker. Saying we got our shelf with all our utensils that we use. You know what I'm saying? It go hard, you heard me? Meat Mobile. Now what's that?